Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Huawei Nova Y70 has a stereo speakers. So in order to determine if that's a stereo or mono speakers, first we'll need to locate them all. Next is to cover each speaker with our finger and see if the sound is coming from two sources. If it does, that's a stereo speaker. If it's not, that's a mono speaker. So now let's pick up this phone and find all of the speakers. And the first one you can see already, and it's this one right here on the top. That's a phone call speaker. Next one is on the bottom, right here. Nothing on the right side, and also nothing on the left side. On the back, there's also no speaker. Now let's play some music and try covering the speakers with our fingers. So clearly sound is coming from only one source on the bottom, and that means it's not a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.